Welcome to the Tagbilaran City, Bohol, Philippines.
Bohol is derived from the word buho or buo. The island was the seat of the first international treaty of peace and unity between the native king Dato Si Catuna and Spanish conquistador Miguel Lopez de Legazpi on March 16, 1565 through a blood compact alliance known today by many Filipino as the Sandugo.
Plaza Rizal, Tagbilaran City, a one simple estate situated in front of Tagbilaran Cathedral Church and the former province capital building. The Plaza Rizal was established in 1860 and laid out in conformity with the 1573 ordinance of King Philip II imposed on Spanish colonists.
History of Tagbilaran City. Tagbilaran is one of the 6 parishes founded in 1595 by the Jesus missionaries in Bohol. In 1768, the parish administration was given to the Augustinian Recollects. The Jesus built the original church, which was razed by fire on December 23, 1798.
The National Museum of the Philippines, Bohol Area Museum, currently occupies the former provincial capital building located in Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Built in the Spanish colonial period, this built heritage served as the tribunal, prison, and living quarters for the Spanish military force.
Ang bigyo sa kayang bugsayan nga katigan nga may kaskong nga gikulit nga troso. Dili na kasagaran makitaan sa Bohol lapan na karon naka-exhibit sa National Museum Bohol. Posible nga ang nag-inusarang bigyo amakan nga masakyan pa niya dinhi sa Bohol karon. Ang bigyo apel sa mga karaang butang nga maoy nagsilbing bintana sa mga bagong tubo ug sa mga katawhan aron ilang malantaw ang pamaagi sa kinabuhi sa mga bul-anon kaniadto.